Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for all my new viewers and subscribers. In today's video, we will be subtracting hundreds from thousands. We will also be subtracting thousands. Subtracting hundreds from thousands. What is 1000 minus 500? We start in the ones column. We say 0 from 0 leaves 0. We put the 0 in the ones column at the bottom. Then we go to the tens column. We say 0 from 0 equals 0. We put the 0 at the bottom in the tens column. Then we go to the hundreds column. We say 5 from 0 we can't. We go over to the thousand column and borrow 1. That leaves 0 in the thousands column. We bring the 1 over to the hundreds column and put it in front of the 0. That makes 10 in the hundreds column. Then we say 5 from 10 leaves 5. We put the 5 at the bottom in the hundreds column. Therefore, 1000 minus 500 equals 500. What is 2000 minus 495? We start in the ones column. We say 5 from 0 we can't. So we look in the tens column to see if we can borrow anything. We can't borrow anything in the tens column, so we go to the hundreds column to see if we can borrow anything. We have a 0 in the hundreds column, so we can't borrow anything from the hundreds column either. So we go to the thousands column to borrow 1. That leaves 1 in the thousand column. The 1 that we borrow from the thousand column, we first put it in the hundreds column. We put the 1 in front of the 0, so we have a 10 in the hundreds column. We now borrow 1 from the 10 in the hundreds column. That leaves 9 in the hundreds column. The 1 that we borrow in the hundreds column, we bring it over to the tens column. We put it in front of the 0 in the tens column, so we have 10 in the tens column. Now we borrow 1 from the tens column. That leaves 9 in the tens column. The 1 that we borrow from the tens column, we bring it over to the ones column. We put it in front of the 0 in the ones column. Therefore, we now have 10 in the ones column. We now start working in the ones column. We say 5 from 10 leaves 5. We put the 5 at the bottom in the ones column. Now we go to the tens column. We say 9 from 9 leaves 0. We put the 0 at the bottom in the tens column. Now we go to the hundreds column. We say 4 from 9 leaves 5. We put the 5 at the bottom in the hundreds column. We now put a comma in front of the 5 in the hundreds column. We now go to the thousands column. We don't have anything to subtract in the thousands column. Therefore, we bring down the 1 in the thousands column. We put it in front of the comma. Therefore, 2000 minus 495 equals 1505. Subtracting thousands. What is 5735 minus 1826? We start in the ones column. We say 6 from 5 we can't. We go over to the tens column and we borrow 1 from the 3. That leaves 2 in the tens column. The 1 that we borrow, we bring it over to the ones column and we put it in front of the 5. That makes 15 in the ones column. Now we go to the ones column and we say 6 from 15 equals 9. We put the 9 at the bottom in the ones column. Then we go to the tens column. We say 2 from 2 leaves 0. We put the 0 at the bottom in the tens column. We now go to the hundreds column and we say 8 from 7 we can't. We go over to the thousand column and borrow 1 from the 5. That leaves 4 in the thousands column. The 1 that we borrow, we bring it over to the hundreds column. We put it in front of the 7. That makes 17 in the hundreds column. We now say 8 from 17, that leaves 9. We put the 9 at the bottom in the hundreds column. We now put a comma in front of the 9 in the hundreds column. We now go to the thousands column. We say 1 from 4 leaves 3. We put the 3 at the bottom in the thousands column. Therefore, 5,735 minus 1,826 equals 3,909. Hi guys, the book used in this video is Basic Mathematics Book 1 by Ava Hutchinson, which is available on Amazon. This book is suitable for both children and adults who are learning to count, add, and subtract. You can find a link for the book used in this video in the description below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And when you subscribe, remember to click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.